Are you ready to transform your body and your life in just 21 days? I have an incredible diet plan designed to help you shed pounds, boost your energy, and feel confident, empowered, and amazing. No more guessing or counting calories. This step-by-step guide will show you exactly what to eat and when, from morning to night. And the best part, you will be fueling your body with delicious, satisfying meals that keep you full and energized all day long. However, this isn't just about weight loss, it's about empowering yourself to make healthier choices, boosting your confidence, and unlocking your full potential. I am about to reveal a 21-day weight loss challenge that is unlike anything you have seen before. No more starving, no more deprivation, just real results, real energy, and a real transformation. Ready to commit? Drop a comment below, and let's start this amazing journey together. I cannot wait to see your incredible results. Before we dive in, many of the meals I share are inspired by common foods in India, balanced, protein-rich, fiber-packed options. But don't worry, there are alternatives, so no matter where you are from, this guide has you covered. These tips work for everyone, regardless of location. Let's start with the secret to a supercharged morning. If you wake up feeling sluggish, this simple drink can help you feel more awake. It is easy to make. Just grab a glass of warm water, add a pinch of black salt easily found at most stores, and squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. This drink is excellent for boosting your metabolism and jump-starting digestion. It is the perfect way to kick off your morning before breakfast. If lemon water isn't your preference, plain lukewarm water is still a great option for hydration and starting your day right. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Do not skip it. Your health comes first, and you need enough fuel to power through. Here are some great breakfast options. 1 bowl, about 50 grams of cracked wheat or bulgur, also known as dalia. Add some spices, onions, tomatoes, and cumin seeds with minimal oil for flavor. Prefer oats? You can swap in the same amount, prepared similarly. Another option is a bread omelette. To whole eggs, do not skip the yolks. With 4 slices of whole wheat bread, use a bit of oil and spices to taste. After your main breakfast, have a glass, about 300 milliliters of milk, and 10 almonds for added nutrients. Drink a glass of water before every meal to aid digestion and help you feel full. Avoid drinking water immediately after eating, as it can dilute stomach acids and make digestion harder. For lunch, aim for a balanced meal, 1 bowl of lentils or 2 bowls if you are taller or more active, to whole wheat chapatis, whole grain wraps, or slices of whole grain bread, and a generous serving of fresh salad. If you like, pair this with lassi or yogurt for added probiotics. Evenings can be challenging with snack cravings, but stay focused on your goals. Skip the fried snacks, cold drinks, and junk food. If you are craving something sweet, have a banana or another fruit instead. Moderation is key. If you absolutely cannot resist, opt for a Coke Zero or a similar sugar-free drink, but limit it to once a week. Do not skip dinner. It is about what you eat, not when you eat. Keep it light and balanced. 2 chapatis with 2 bowls of veggies or lentils. Choose colorful vegetables to ensure you are getting a variety of nutrients. Limit starchy foods like potatoes to keep the meal light. This 21-day plan is not about quick fixes. It is about building a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. Stay consistent, trust the process, and remember your goals. If you have any questions or meal ideas, please drop them in the comments. Let us inspire each other and keep the motivation high. Now, let us dive deeper into some key strategies and habits that will support you throughout this challenge. First, let us talk about the importance of meal prepping. By planning and preparing your meals in advance, you will save time and avoid the temptation to reach for unhealthy options. Spend a little time each weekend to plan your meals for the week ahead. Chop vegetables, cook grains, and portion out your meals. This will make it much easier to stay on track. Next, let us discuss snacking. Healthy snacks can be a game changer for maintaining energy levels and curbing cravings. Keep options like roasted chickpeas and salted nuts or fruit on hand for when hunger strikes between meals. Portion control is key. Avoid eating straight from the bag and instead measure out a serving size to keep things balanced. Hydration is another crucial aspect of this journey. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps maintain energy, supports digestion, and can even help control hunger. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily, and consider adding herbal teas or infused water for variety. Exercise is also an important part of this transformation. Incorporate a mix of cardio and strength training to maximize your results. If you are new to exercise, start with activities you enjoy, like walking, dancing, or yoga. Gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts as you build strength and stamina. Sleep is often overlooked but is essential for overall health and weight loss. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine, limit screen time before bed, and create a comfortable sleep environment. Proper rest will help regulate hormones and improve your energy levels. Mindset plays a significant role in achieving your goals. Focus on progress, not perfection, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Remember that setbacks are a natural part of the process. Use them as learning opportunities and keep moving forward. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage and motivate you. Let us also talk about mindful eating. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues, and eat slowly to truly enjoy your meals. Avoid distractions like television or scrolling on your phone while eating, as this can lead to overeating. By being present during meals, you will be more in tune with your body's needs. If you are looking for additional ways to enhance your diet, consider incorporating superfoods like chia seeds, flax seeds, or spinach. These nutrient-dense foods can provide added vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support your health. Experiment with different recipes and find creative ways to include these ingredients in your meals. Consistency is key, but variety is also important to prevent boredom. Rotate your meals and try new recipes to keep things interesting. Explore cuisines from different cultures to discover new flavors and expand your palate. This will make your journey more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. Another tip is to keep a food journal. Tracking what you eat can help you stay accountable and identify patterns in your eating habits. Use a notebook or a mobile app to record your meals, snacks, and beverages. Reflecting on this information can help you make informed adjustments to your diet. Throughout this journey, it is important to practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself and recognize that making lifestyle changes takes time and effort. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and do not be too hard on yourself if you slip up. Every step forward is a step closer to your goals. Finally, remember that this challenge is about more than just physical changes. Embrace the opportunity to improve your overall well-being and develop healthy habits that will last a lifetime. Focus on how you feel, not just how you look, and appreciate the positive impact these changes have on your energy, mood, and confidence. This journey is yours, and it is all about becoming the best version of yourself. You have the power to make it happen. Stay committed, believe in yourself, and take it one day at a time. The results will be worth it. Let us do this together.